take you anywhere to a different type of weather. I know you getting that body ready for the summer. Ever since you been fucking with me, that ass getting bigger. You should be rolling with me. Yeah, keep rolling with me. Yeah, times change and you know the streets cold. You should keep rolling with me. Yeah, rolling with me. Yeah, checking in luxury suites.
Phones on flight mode. Caddy, why is your car here? I'll fucking take this bitch and make you pay ransom. Like, I'll take your car and you're gonna have to pay me to get it back. Why is it here and you're not here?
I know your whole never got tired of singing these lyrics. Yeah, front line when it's family business. Whenever it's crunch time.
No, but Kenny, why is your car here? I will take it. I will take it. Like, now.
Yeah.
She double trouble cause she classy and she get up. I'm getting food. Oh, but why are you here so early?
I gotta get in and get to this instrumental. We don't have to chill, we could do whatever. Take you anywhere to a different type of weather. I know you getting that body ready for the summer. Ever since you been fucking with me, that ass getting bigger. You should be rolling with me. Yeah, keep rolling with me.
Should I bring you a drink? Please, Caddy, please, 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 friend, please. Genuinely, please.
Rolling with me. Yeah, checking in luxury suites, phones on flight mode. That's what it's going to be. Yeah, keep rolling with me. Yeah,
I got the shoulders to lean on, broad, kinda tough to sleep on, hard.
flawless with these records, I approach with caution. I'm the one.
Will you please provide me with the program manager's email address?
So come and mingle with a real.
How Bogani Can't believe I met you and I was fangirling. Tag and read, yes. Double tag and read. Hi Liam. And she all for it. We ain't gotta chill, we can do whatever. Take you out the hood to a different type of weather. I know you getting that body ready for the summer. Ever since you been fucking with me, that ass getting firm. Your body look like Mona. Just you and marijuana. Guys, a stylist asked me today, like, what is your bra size? And I had no answer for her. She's like, bitch, check your other bras. I was like, I might be stupid. God bless and enjoy your day. Enjoy. We need to catch up. Can we go for lunch? Yeah, so I have a gig today, guys. A big gig. I'm really honored to be emceeing this event. Like, I'm so excited to be emceeing this event. I'm emceeing for... Okay, let me not say it because they have an announcement.
I know you getting that body ready for the summer.
Ever since you been fucking with me, that ass getting bigger.
You should be rolling with me. Yeah,
Keep rolling with me.
yeah.
Times change and you know the streets cold. You should be rolling.
Rolling with me. Yeah.
The song does the same to me. It's amazing.
Taking in luxury suites, phones on flight mode. That's what it's going to be. Yeah. Keep rolling with me.
I love Aries, by the way. Aries, toilet tank. You guys, I'm beefing with you after how you got me to stay out later than I should have last night. But shout out, I love you so much. Listen, I'll see you soon. Have an amazing day, Shams. Aw, Liam, you call me Shams. I love that. I love when people call me like by my nicknames. It makes me feel like, oh, you love me, you care about me. Thank you. How are you this energetic at 8 a.m.? I have no choice, guys. I'm emceeing today. I'm emceeing a big event. I'm only here to do makeup. Like, I'm not here to do music. I'm here waiting for Chili so I can do makeup. And I just need to be in the zone until I'm done emceeing. Get it out the way. And then I'm having fun. And then Lady and I are in Bloom this weekend. We've got a gig in Bloom. Gonna post the flyer ASAP. But yeah. And you're on my mind for a very long time. Cause you've been on my mind for a very long time. Rain come down, fill my cup, but give me more. Keep on. Fill my cup, but show me your hairstyle when you're done. I'm gonna only take it out like later at the event. Yo, I need you from time to time. When you're here, I feel like magic, I'm lost. What's tech and red? Tequila and Red Bull. long time. How do I get fucking my Bluetooth to play the next song? Because this song then has a whole... Anyway, it's fine. Oh, thank you. My eyes are green when I am tired, sick, hungover, or like just down bad in general. On a normal day where I'm healthy and I'm hydrated, my eyes are like more brown, but then days like today, they're green. Best of luck, enjoy the day. Thank you. Do your tattoos have meaning? Of course. Guys, I have 3 bags of clothes here at work because I'm always bringing in outfits, and then after work I always go for lunch. I'm like, oh, I'll leave it. Now it's piled up. You see, like, I didn't want this part of... Sure, guys, if these pins don't stay in, my hair is gonna be flopped by later. I need to keep these pins in until I literally am about to step on stage. Oh, what I'm feeling.
Oh, what I'm feeling. Feel I want in a million.
I'm coming to Bloom and I'm writing the next morning. How? Fuck the exam. I'm kidding now. Genuinely, focus on your exam. The track is called... I can't remember what it's called. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to recover from last night. I can't believe I'm emceeing today. But I know I'm gonna fucking do what I need to do. But I just can't believe that... Which tattoo is more painful? Hand tattoos are a bitch. Did you see the Miss SA saga? I'm gagged. I'm very shocked. Tattoo artist, go to Rising Dragon. Oh, it's called New York Ink right now. Abalaz. Yeah, I'm not hanging. I'm just like tired as fuck. But at least the event I'm doing today is early. It ends early. But yeah, I'm emceeing a really, really dope event. I'm emceeing the Steve Madden, Oscar Mbo collaboration event. So very excited about that. I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week is more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Oh, my favorite song in the whole entire world. This song, if this song came out when I was 22, when I was actually 22, I'd be a menace. Also, the shade on your IG story towards the other classmates that killed me. Fuck the other classmates, it's true. Thank you. You're 22. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I already know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could even when I'm singing Jake word for word. I love that song. And stuff, even though you don't need it, because one thing about you, you'll do your thing. Thank you so much. I think, guys, work-wise, I woke up and I realized this morning, work-wise, I'm so grateful. Like, I'm where I need to be. Like, radio, TV, everything is fucking going good, bitch. The campaigns I have, the gigs I have, I'm like, wow. This is what you wanted, Shami. So I'm very happy with where I am work-wise. Like, I won't lie, I have no career complaints. I'm happy and I'm proud of myself, so thank you. The song title is called 22 by J.O. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved, fucked. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you fucking with me. I love this song. Ms. Ahania has been asking for a date. Please give her attention. You're 22. You're 22. At the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22.
what the hand do.
I don't know who the Han is, but no, I don't know. She's probably like 22, and I don't like younger women. Baby, put my hands on you, baby. Mind catch 22. Too much to handle you. I'm so proud of you. Deserve it. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Hi. Oh, thank you, guys. Do you work out in the morning? No. Sorry to bring this up. Oh. Don't ask me about some fucking J Molly. Like, are you crazy?
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Makes me wanna add some of my own. Do it! I'm about to have a mimosa right now after my shower. At 8:53. You mad? How old are you, Kanti? I'm 26. Tell you the events I'm doing. Also, you couldn't contain the excitement. Steve Madden, let's go!
Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like
you usually do the. Hey, but no, you have to do it slow for this song.
Then she got it tripping over nothing yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again.
Babe, I'm on leave. Let me enjoy it. No, but it's still too early. Mimosas must start at like 10. Aye. It's too early. I'm sorry. Leave or not.
CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want.
She pissed me off somehow. She still get whatever she want. Talking about her, I don't feel another ass at home.
Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Muntuka Robbie, oh please.
I'm already knowing.
4 reports to present this week. 4. Let me have it. Not now. At least wait until 10. Like, be real also.
Whatever.
Like, thank you.
Take her to the dealership, the Porsche got a twin. Her paddock got a beam, hold it to the lens. Put the ice, I bought you on and show.
Yo, my God.
No. Everything I need, the way you shake it, baby, I'm real. Spawn on. Pull up in the photo. Lover. I took her to the store. She want the Louis V's, I'm on the polo. Pull up in the photo. Lover. I took her to the store. She want the Louis V's, I'm on the polo.
You already know the vibes. It's a lot of clickbait, salt and spice. Diamonds in the face, I shine, you shine. Made a lot of mistakes, gave me time. When I lost faith, you would say it's fine. They cannot touch what God designed. Go ahead, crush, so proud you mine. It's real love, it's right or die.
Touch me,
Squeeze me,
make me believe in myself is fly.
When I was at my weakest, you sparked the spot. God sent you to give me truth and ice. Perfect combination, suit and tie. Angel, halo, see you in my dreams in porcelain white. Main thing you told me was don't reply. You already gave him an extra life.
Too much, look at my baby.
Body go, make her go crazy. Spawn on. That thing I needed. The me. Spawn on. Someone needs to come back. Forgot about how nice your tattoos are on your arms. Honestly, winter's killing me. Winter's making me feel like Voldemort in the last. I actually no.
I told you I'm stuck in an excellent.
30 minutes late. It's fine for me. It's bad for you.
How are you?
Loma soy 2. Fly 4-2.
Okay.
Like it's a private location. Loma soy 2. Fly 4-2.
Kenny!
No,
Why are you here though?
waited for an hour. Still, they're not ready.
No, but why? So when my drink
What? Oh wait. No problem, man.
We're gonna do my friend's house. A friend of mine is going through a breakup.
Yeah,
It was believable. We were
You
doing
guys are
it.
sold!
No, it was believable. We were doing it. We were getting inside. Guys, I'm sorry, but the live keeps it out.
Because of the music.
Yes, it's because of the music.
Let's go, girl.
She told me to tell my brother she loves ya. Guys, I feel like the pinning thing doesn't work, but let me type it.
Yes, yes.
I did not own the rights to this music. Full stop, pin. It's a pretty day, let's go outside and enjoy it. If you got something else in mind, then I'm all for it. I will take a chance. I will take your hand and let's go there. Go there. Love isn't something that you get, it's deserved. Love is something I can give 'cause I'm worth it. You amaze me, I've been taken in. You're so lovely. I know who you are. Do you do this every day, looking pretty and stuff? Naturally, I mean, like naturally. On the rights to my heart, though. My man said heaven is a day away. Live in the present. I wear the aura of a king and dream of a love supreme. As a child, I was told that my love is king. See what it could bring to the lives of those that ain't afraid to give with their souls exposed. Golden rose, you color my reality with balladry, allowing me to love like a child's tree. I'm proud to be your superstar. Hi. Everyone's upsetting me today. Caddy, no, Caddy came on my live and asked me, unprovoked, do you want coffee? I said, yes, I want coffee. He even asked me the specifics. You want it with Red Bull? You want? I said, yes. Then he comes empty-handed. You come late. I don't want to talk to either of my friends, guys. Both my friends ain't shit. So...
we ain't shit now.
oh my God. Not to... You know, I liked him so much, it turned into love and then the love back to like. So I feel like I birthed him or nursed him and named him so full of potential. He stands tall, I feel his incredible. Together we make stars, we all truly fly. I want to paint him, take a picture of his soul. The story should be told. See, he's like everything I dreamed of, but better than the preview. Now everything he working on has got me saying me too, like he food and I need. No, I did them. I just put them up.
Shamiso, why are you here?
I'm here to do my makeup.
Oh.
I didn't see in this week's episode why. Because that's just how they edited it, you know. But this week's episode was juicy, I won't lie. But not too much on my girl, you know. You're my superstar.
And how was I still live?
Yes. You're my superstar. My love is honest and true, and I can prove it, babe. Like, I could. You see, now Tsukho just messaged in the group chat saying, "Hola, I'm rapper." I know he fucking screen recorded me rapping, this fucking asshole. Tsukho Koki, go to hell. Like, yo, it ain't safe. Anyway, guys, I have to be in makeup now. These motherfuckers disappointed me. Like, Caddy literally came onto my live and said, should I get you a drink? What do you want? Tequila and Red Bull. Hey, guy.
Where are you?
No, young. But where is it? Where is it?
I guess he didn't get the drinks because they took long.
Yeah, I don't care about his food. I want my drink. My Superstar. Shami, what's the name of the song? That song is called Superstar by Flowetry and Common. You know, anyway, I love you guys so much. Please bully Caddy for me the whole day, guys. Comment on Caddy's picture saying you didn't get Shamiso's drink. Hashtag,
Now, fuck future space.
hashtag free Shami. Yeah.